Hi guys and welcome to the channel. So lately I've been absolutely loving chimichurri, and chimichurri goes so amazingly well with beef, and I thought, well, the natural thing to do is to make it into a burger. That's what we're going to do today. We're going to do a chimichurri Wagyu burger. This is going to be good. So the first thing I want to do is put my chimichurri together, but I'm going to do a twist on it this time. Rather than doing your traditional chimichurri, which is very much the oil and all the herbs and spices mixed together, but I'm going to use mayonnaise. So rather than using olive oil to bind all the ingredients together, I'm actually going to make a chimichurri mayonnaise. So I've got all the ingredients measured out here. So everything will be listed down below in terms of ingredients and also measurements, so go and check that out. So in here I've got my chili flakes, I've got my dried oregano, I've got my paprika, salt, pepper and 2 minced bolts of garlic. So they go straight in. Then it's onto the fresh herbs. So this is flat leaf parsley, and I've got a small bunch and I've just chopped it up really finely. Then I've got fresh oregano. Now if you can't get fresh, just increase the amount of dried that you put in, but it's quite nice to get that balance between the two, so put that in. And then finally I've got a small bunch of basil, and that's it. So that's all the ingredients, the fresh and the dried ingredients we're going to put in. Now I'm just going to add mayonnaise and just keep mixing it together until I get a really good consistency. So let's squidge a low in to begin with. And then give that a mix around. I actually forgot to put one ingredient in, and that's red wine vinegar, so I'm just going to quickly add that in. Add as much mayonnaise as you need. Also you want to get to a nice consistency, but just add as much as you want. That's got all the beautiful flavours of chimichurri, but we basically made it into a mayonnaise. Perfect. So that's the sort of consistency I want, and the taste is really nice, really balanced. You've got all the acidity, you've got the herb spices, and that mayonnaise is just toning it down, so that tastes beautiful. So I'm going to put that to one side and turn our attention to our burgers. First thing I want to do is toast off our buns, and I'm going to place burgers on here. Oh, look at that. Now that's the sort of colour you want, that looks gorgeous. With these gorgeous Wagyu burgers, I'm going to keep flipping them often so they don't catch. Now my buns are toasted, I've dropped the right hand side grate down so I can get a bit more heat there. And I'm going to move the burgers across so I can fit the brisket and the onion onto the grill as well. And the onions, I'm just going to put up front, just give it a bit of a char. So I get some beautiful colour on these now. Just going to keep flipping them. Make sure they're cooked all the way through. Now the burgers are not too far off. I'm just going to put our brisket slices on here and get them cooking through. So big it's going to only fit through on. Got a bit of brisket down there. Perfect. I mean, look at that. This is from the brisket video I did a few weeks ago. Go and check that one out. This brisket came out amazing. And in that video I give you 16 tips that I wish I'd known when I started making brisket, and then if I'd known it then I would have got them out this good. So please go and check that video out, and don't forget, if you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel as well. Helps me out massively and I greatly appreciate it. Right, these burgers I think are pretty much there. Yeah, some beautiful colour on them now. So this is some apple wood smoked cheese, and it is beautiful. Adds a real depth of flavour, just makes that a little bit more luxurious than the normal cheddar. As that cheese is going to stick to that great. Perfect. Okay, these are done. It's time to take off and build our burgers. So it's time to build our beautiful burger. So the first thing I'm going to do is a really generous portion or dollop of this chimichurri mayonnaise. Then I'm going to put some rocket. Now this rocket, you can add obviously what lettuce or greenery you do or don't want. But the rocket's got a really nice peppery bite to it and just works so well in this burger. Then I'm going to put my beautiful, I mean look at that, but beautiful slice of brisket. On top of that I'm going to put my burger. Then I like raw onion. You can cook it like I've cooked for the other people here today, but I actually just like some raw onion. I like the bite of a raw onion, it's just beautiful. Again, adds a little bit of texture because everything else in this is quite soft, just adds a beautiful bit of texture. Then lastly I'm going to get some more of our beautiful chimichurri and then put that on top. Now that is a burger. I mean look at this, this is an absolute stunning burger. I'm finding myself just eating it and actually talking to you guys. But you've got that beautiful bun which is toasted off, you've got that chimichurri mayonnaise which tasted incredible, you've got that brisket which was out of the world on its own, then you've got that Wagyu burger, your apple smoked cheese, you've got that beautiful crunch from this and acidity from that raw onion, and then you've got the rocket on top. I mean come on. Right, let's try it. I'm just trying it. Can't wait anymore. That has got to be the best burger I've ever had. I'm not just saying that. That chimichurri works amazingly, and that brisket, wow. And then the burger itself. I mean, if you just had a burger, you'd be going, this is good. But to have all those other elements as well is incredible. You've got to give this a go. And while you're at it, click on that subscribe button, do me a favour, sign up, hit that old like button as well, and check out my other videos. Particularly check out this one where I show you 16 things I wish I knew when I started cooking briskets. But until the next video, see you then, take care of yourselves.